Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm starting with masculine card ideas that can be given for Father's Day. My masculine cards are more on the fun side. They can be technically given to kids as well, but I'm not a fan of these stereotypical cards for men. I prefer my cards to be on the more cute, fun side. And in this video, I'm using this stamp set with guinea pigs. I already used it 3 times before. You will find the links to those videos in the description below. And I have one more image of the guinea pig to use, and that is the one at the bottom left. For the coloring, I'm using the ZigBrush markers and a water brush pen. The cardstock I'm using is the Canson Bristol, and I also have a white card base. All the products I'm using you can find listed over on my website, and if you don't have these products, try to search through your stash. You can create something similar with different products as well. I started by stamping all the images. I used the VersaFine ink in Onyx Black for the stamping. First I stamped the guinea pig, and then I stamped a few of the salad leaves. I already had a few of the leaves and the tomato pre-made. I only needed 3 of the longer leaves. My idea for this card was I wanted the guinea pig to peek out from behind of the salad leaves. After I was finished stamping, I colored all the images with the ZigBrush markers. I started with the guinea pig, I applied the marker along the edges, and then with a water brush I spread the color across the image. When I colored the leaves, I went outside of the lines, which did not matter because I was going to cut them out. I was going to cut out the guinea pig as well, but there I wanted to be more careful with the coloring. Also, when I was painting the guinea pig, I went over the teeth, so I took a white gel pen to whiten them up a bit, which corrected my mistake. Next, I cut out the images using my scissors. I think this stamp set does have coordinating dies, but I don't have them and I would not buy them anyway, because I think these images are simple to cut out. After that, I worked on the background. At first, I did not know what to do. And what came to my mind was very simple. I created a circle, and then using the ZigBrush marker, I painted a sky. And then with the white gel pen, I added few stars, but this I did a little bit later. I think shaker card would have been great as well, but when I originally made this card, I didn't have a die cutting machine. But I'm going to be creating a shaker card for another Father's Day card, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. Next, I adhered the guinea pig and the salad leaves. I already attached a double-sided tape on the back of the guinea pig. I adhered it in the middle of the circle at the bottom, and then I adhered the salad leaves. There are 2 rows of the leaves. The back row I adhered with a glue directly onto the guinea pig at the bottom of the guinea pig. And as you can see, as I was filming, the sun was going in and out and the footage got overexposed. That's why I skipped to the second row of the leaves. Here I attached a tiny piece of a double-sided foam tape, and for the middle leaf I also used a liquid glue. I had 1 small leaf left and I thought it would fit very well on the right side. I cut off a bit of the leaf underneath so it's not sticking out, and then I adhered the leaf using a liquid glue. Next, I use my gel pen to add those stars I was talking about earlier. I try to do this randomly, but it's so hard to be random on purpose. And I added the stars only at the top of the sky. After that, I worked on the greeting. I'm using a happy birthday greeting, but if you are making a Father's Day card, you can use greeting for Father's Day. And to stamp the greeting, I used the VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. I thought that the card was still missing something, so to bring it all together, I did a dash line using a black fine liner, which is a little inspiration by Christina Werner. And lastly, I adhered the panel on top of a white card base, which finishes the card. I think this card is super cute, but I think the whole stamp set is super cute. And I hope this inspired you to create something similar. You do not need this exact stamp set. As I said, this would, for example, make a good shaker card. As I said at the beginning, I used this stamp set 3 times before. On your screens, you can click on those videos and check them out. These are great inspiration for masculine cards that you can use for Father's Day that are a little bit on the fun side. So that is all for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.